Alright, I'm going to make this quick. Somebody needed to know how to take one of these Whirlpool Thin Twins apart. So I'm going to go through the basics. These are just tips. You can find other videos on this. So on this panel here, this angled panel, there's two screws. And you're going to remove these two screws, okay? 1 and 2. You're going to remove this panel, okay? So that panel you're going to remove. Take this panel down. Behind here, there's going to be two clips that are screwed down in the back. You got to use a mirror, stick your head in there with a flashlight. There's a screw on either side that help hold this in their clips, okay? So you got to take those screws out, okay? Then you can lift up. You grab the outer edge of this and you lift up on this. And this is held together. You see these clips here? So those clips right there hold that lid down along with the two clips I just referenced a second ago on the back. You undo this plug, okay, and then what you're able to do is you see that clip right there, okay, there's a bunch of little clips all the way around the top of this ring, and then there's a water inlet hose back here. I'm not going to take this all apart, but back in the back you'll see a rubber hose. You got to take a pair of pliers. See the little rubber hose is back there. You can barely see the clips on it right to the right of the screen there, but anyway, remove that fill hose, and then you have these clips all the way around this top ring, and you're going to take those and you pull those clips out by hand. You just grab them and you pry on them. The ones that are on this thing, the ones on the outside, they're all the way around. Just pull on them and lift up carefully, and then you'll have access to what you saw in my video. And you got to get down in there with something and use scrubbing bubbles. It's the only thing that works for me. Now you can clean that out, and then if that doesn't do it, you can take your agitator off here. See, this comes off, and then you got to take this off, and then you can get under here. Now you got to look through my videos. I got another video on how to take this drum out, the inner drum, and you need a special tool or you need a punch and hammer to do it. My video I explain that, so you can just watch the videos on Thin Twin. Just search on my channel for Thin Twin. You can pull this inner drum out and you can clean it all up. And after you're done washing your clothes, always run an extra cycle of water, just water through the washing machine to purge the pump and drain assembly of nasty leftover water. And that'll help keep your lids open so you're ventilating your washing machine, right? And that'll help. So hopefully this helps you out. All right.